For my deep dive, I chose The Crack is Wack by Keith Haring. It was created in 1986. It was a mural, and it was classified as pop art. This mural was a demonstration of the war against drugs, and he was an advocate for the awareness of the dangers and the consequences of drug use. This Crack is Wack is a mural, and it was created by Keith Haring. It's located near the Harlem River Drive in East Harlem. This artist was an advocate for the war against drugs, as I said before. Crack cocaine was the drug of choice across the United States in the mid to late 1980s. The basis of this mural was because Haring's studio assistant, and his name was Benny, was addicted to crack, the substance crack. After failing multiple times to help his friend kick his addiction and his habit, the artist was known for using outdoor large spaces to paint. So he created a mural for his friend to help him with his addiction. The mural is in an abandoned handball court near Harlem River, which Benny often passed multiple times driving to and from work. This mural was painted, like I said, in 1986, and it had a public site that was in a public site that brought much acknowledgement since it was created. This is one of Haring's most influential landmarks of art. People would recognize this and approach the artist. While painting this mural, a large enforcement officer gave Keith a summons for being out in a public space and actually painting in that area. He was fined $25, but he paid the summons, but the enormous attraction that he received for his anti-crack message was priceless.